One thing I want to get across to people when I'm doing my presentations and letting people know that they're in total control of their own safety out there. I ask the audience all the time, you know, who's responsible for your safety? It's you. I mean, you're totally responsible for your safety, because no matter what, if you're uncomfortable with a situation, you have total control of what you want to or how you want to proceed with that situation. And if you don't feel it's safe, stop, think about it, get other people involved, then proceed if it has to be done. But always, you are 100% control of your own safety out there. Hi, my name is Matt Hennis. I'm with Ohio 811. I'm a public awareness service coordinator for the center. I currently cover the northeast part of the state. Before I took a position with Ohio 811, I was out in the field doing inspection work, installation of fiber optics, which transitioned into me actually getting a job with a company that actually located utilities, and that transitioned into me actually getting a job with Ohio 811.